So once you're done filling up the water in the pitcher, it's time to turn it on. If you just press the button once, it gives you the 30-minute timer. After 30 minutes, it'll be fully infused. That's for drinking water. If you want to inhale it, you can go to 90 minutes. But if you can't inhale with this pitcher on, this lid on, so you would take this lid off, and you would take this out, so that all of those bubbles can be inhaled. You want to put the inhalation lid on and connect it for that. But for right now, we're going to just stick to 30 minutes because we're going to be doing water. Okay, so for 30 minutes, this is going to count down. When the 30 minutes is done, the water is fully infused. And when it's fully infused, there will be 00 on the screen. Now, as you can see in there, you can see these lights back there, right? See those lights back there? Oh, I can take this off here. You see those lights back there? Those lights show you the bubbles. They don't do anything but just show you the bubbles. They're not really part of the process of making the bubbles, but that way you can see them. Now, if that light is too bright at night, you just put your finger on the button and hold it until the lights turn off. There. But it's still making it. You can't see the hydrogen because there's no lights, but it's still making the hydrogen in there. Maybe I'll zoom up and see, you can still see that there's bubbles being made. But the lights are off and it's still counting down. Now, if you want to shut the whole machine off, you just put your finger on it and hold it there until it shuts off. Now it's completely off. Now, if you did all that by accident, then you can start it again. But once it's off, if you want to go ahead, if you've already finished your pitcher, you don't want the pitcher to be empty and there to be any numbers up here. Because if there's any numbers up here, it means the machine is still on. And it shouldn't be on if the pitcher is empty. You should always turn it off, just like it is right now. Now, once you fill it up again and you want to go ahead and make your hydrogen, you go ahead and start again by pressing the button once. That will make your hydrogen water over the course of 30 minutes. Hope that is clear.